From the Messages tab, you can select the Upload Messages option to upload messages that you have created on your own. Click the Upload Messages button and you'll be brought straight to your Browse window where you can select WAV or MP3 files to import. You can select one or multiple files. To select multiple, hold down Shift or Control. Pick the messages that you wish to import. Click Open. The message name that defaults in is the name of the file that you selected. You can then change it if you want. The system will verify that the message name is unique. If you already have a message called 2 for 1 sale, it will complain and ask you to create a unique name. So you could just give it a -2 or something to make that unique. Once you're done editing your names, click Start Upload. And when that's complete, simply click Done. And if you then go into a device or a group, you'll see that the messages you just imported are now available for scheduling. The play button won't show up for about 10 minutes or so. We do not make you wait for the message to upload to the server in order to start scheduling it. You can do that immediately.